Guys, in today's video, we're going to be discussing Dogecoin, Ethereum, Shiba Inu, and even Mana, the cryptocurrency designed for Decentraland, which the brand new rebranded Facebook is now accepting and supporting as payments. I'm also going to be doing a technical analysis to see if cryptos are headed up or down, so you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up, guys? I'm Joel, and I am an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate, as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I now offer my buy and sell trade signals. And if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's only $10 and it's invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip. That rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know when I'm ready to buy and sell so that you guys can as well. I can also go over your portfolio and see what needs to be switched around, and I have a lot of other services on there as well. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade signals, because we've made a lot of money. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily uploads. And if you love cryptocurrency, smash that like button, it really does help with the growth of the channel. Metaverse on the new Facebook is going to be supporting Decentraland and Mana, the cryptocurrency that's to be used within that game. I'm going to be keeping you guys up to date on the perfect time to get in and the perfect time to get out. Guys, with November being one of the most bullish months of the year, historically every single year, you're going to want to get positioned very well for November. People call it Bullvember or Moonvember, because it wouldn't be shocking if we saw 10 plus days in a row that were completely green. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. And if you don't already have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link to deposit any amount, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $2,300 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. Guys, it's important to dollar cost average whenever you're investing, putting about 10% of your overall investment every single time that there's a dip. That way you're making money on average on each trade. Also, when you start to get gains 50% or higher, you're going to want to take out your profits. That way you can secure your profits. Even if it goes down, you're leaving your principal in and you have nothing to worry about. Guys, despite what we see on the charts with the consolidation trading sideways for Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and Ethereum, they're just about to have a huge breakout. Because of the bullish symbols that I'm seeing on the charts, I can tell that with higher highs and higher lows, we are still on our bull run and about to have a huge breakout to the upside, so you want to be ready for that. Cryptos are not crashing just because they have a few red days, or trade sideways, or even have a bit of a downtrend, because it simply means that when we hit the bottom, maybe even having a double bottom or a triple bottom, guys, that's very bullish, and we will head up straight from there, especially when you're investing in the top 10 cryptos, some of the most popular, most stable coins out there, and that's what I focus on my Patreon. Guys, some huge news. An article came out titled, Burger King, Robinhood hand out free Dogecoin in play to lure back retail investors. Because last week, Robinhood announced a loss in their third quarter, causing the company's shares to go down nearly 10%. They realized they needed to do something, and do it fast, so they partnered up with Burger King in order to give out a free crypto when you purchase a meal. Also, through a sweepstakes that Burger King is running, you could actually win a whole Bitcoin. Guys, the volatility that we're seeing in these infancy stages of crypto is what allows us to make money on the dips and then to sell at the peaks. So once crypto becomes more mainstream and more people get in, we'll have a lot more stability in the marketplace. And that's why I make these videos, to urge people to get in before the mass adoption. Guys, people got rich on crypto, not because they got in late, but because they got in before the masses. And these prices of crypto are easily less than half of their actual worth right now. Guys, also some massive news. An update for Ethereum is coming out called Ethereum 2.0. This will allow it to have much lower fees as well as much faster transaction rates, only allowing it to be adopted more and more each and every day. This will also cause the price to skyrocket, and you're going to want to get into Ethereum before this happens. And that's why I'm calling out every single dip on Ethereum that I'm seeing, when they're steep enough that will make profits in a very short period of time. Guys, just last year, Ethereum was $100. It's now already over $4,000, and I'm expecting it for it to easily hit $10,000 just by the end of this year. And next year, over $20,000. Guys, a lot of crypto experts out there are actually expecting it to hit $40,000 next year, and that wouldn't surprise me. And I believe it will actually surpass Bitcoin. It has a lot more use case and a lot more room for growth because of that. And when we take a look at the Dogecoin charts, as you can see, we came down, we hit the bottom, had a double bottom here, and of course we had to go up from there. With a clear uptrend, sure, we took a few pit stops, but that's completely normal. After several cup and handles, we kept having bullish flags and pennants. And then we had ascending triangle, which ended in several dips that I was able to call out. And then we hit these peaks that we were able to sell at, collect our profits when we hit 34 cents on Dogecoin, and then we came down again, having another ascending triangle, consolidating, trading sideways, and of course when we get to the end of this, we'll either break out to the upside or the down, but because we're currently on a bull run, I'm expecting us to trade towards the upside just after this, so you want to be ready. Have some cash on the side to buy these dips when they're steep enough, as I call them out. So if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's only 10 bucks and it's invaluable. That's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. It's in the top pinned comment. And if you don't already have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily uploads. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.